So in today's video, we are going to be filming from Abakaliki to Enugu in 2023. Okay, so this is Udensi Street. Okay, we are going to starting this video exactly at Udensi roundabouts. Welcome back again to my channel. It's your girl Helen Konko as usual. These are our vlogs there. It's gonna be a fire vlogs today. So as usual, I'm with hubby here. We are going to Enugu. So as we are going to be gisting. Okay, and more we are going to be conversing and more. Then these are my video. I'm going to Enugu to meet Lily Pope TV at Enugu exactly. Okay, so wish us safe journey while you enjoy the ride with us. This is Iza Road. Okay, once we get to the end of Iza Road, we are going to, like you know before, for those that have been watching me, you should know all these places. This is Udensi, is it what do they call it, quarters beside, and then this one here is NECO, that's National Examination Council. Here is Ministry of Capital Territory. It used to be Ebonyi State Development Center Board, something like that, but now they've changed it to Ministry of Capital Territory. But that's where you get your building approval and what do they call it? Is it certificates ahead? Then we are still on Iza Road anyway. So as we are driving by, I'm going to be telling you the names of the areas, and I hope you're going to enjoy these beautiful vlogs today. Ebonyi State is beautiful. Just look at the view. I'm just watching the camera as it's moving, and this is early in the morning, a bright new sweet day, very beautiful day, and I'm with my sweet and beautiful husband here. You're not
capturing me now.
I'm not even capturing my face likewise. Do they want to see me? Let me turn the camera around. Let them see me small.
Use your phone so I can match both.
Let me use my phone so that I can match both. Okay. So we are right now at our flyover built by our about to leave wonder working Governor Dave Ubai. Okay, so we are right now at the flyover. Okay, we are this Presco, where there is Presco campus, but we are not heading there. We are going to be going straight to Enugu, and we are right now on Enugu Abakaliki Expressway. Now wow, these are palms that is here, like I wonder who gave them the concept. You know, they know that Igbos like all this burial show and co. See the kind of
every other about to like doing shows. Once somebody live a very good life and you know, pay the legacy for the family, it's good to do a good bye send forth for the person. You know, appreciates the person's life and you know, afterlife too. So
okay,
that's
so it's not really for people that just okay. It's true anyway, if the person have lived a very good life. But what about those that usually died wretched but buried with millions of naira?
That's a movie now.
It's not a movie, it happens for real. Some people they will not be able to eat. Their family member will not be able to give them any money when they are alive. But when they die, if you come and see ceremony, you say, is it this person they are doing all this ceremony for? You will see they'll kill cow for somebody that is not even able to chop even all through his life full cow. Have not eaten even one leg of cow before. And you are buying for the person cow when the person have died. What's the meaning of that one? You're not saying anything.
Missing cow, is it enjoyment?
So eating cow is not enjoyment.
Not enjoyment.
Okay, what? Okay, the person is not eating. What I mean, I'm not trying to say eating cow is enjoyment. What I really mean is that somebody that cannot even afford 1 square meal a day, when the person died, they will not be killing cow for the person. How about that one? Okay, guys, this is a afiofuru. Okay, this is a ahiofuru. You can also get things cheap here in Ebonyi State. I don't know about now, but you can get a lot of things cheap here in Ebonyi State. And right now, up beside ahiofuru, okay, you're going to see the estates. I have a film of this estate. That's Liberation Estate. I have a film of this estate, a vlog of it on my channel, in case you want to walk in to Liberation Estate with my lens. You're going to see it there. Okay, you can see that our camera today is not shaking. It's not shaky. All thanks to Daddy Ekuma for our wonderful suction cup. That's what we are using for this drive by. Okay, beside us here is NNPC. We have NNPC here, but they sell fuel. Anything they sell fuel, there will be a long queue. I thought this NNPC is supposed to be giving us fuel every day, but it's maybe once in a week or highest twice in a week. That's if you even get that very week. So this is a federal road safety on the way. What are they doing? These people, do they have 9 lives? Yeah. Opposite is their office, national security, civil defense. Okay, this one is civil defense. There too, that is where road safety is now. Okay, then let's keep driving. As we are going, like I said before, we are going to be conversing. Okay, so we are moving. See Koscharis, they left Abakaliki. I don't know how true, but I heard it's because of tax. That is one more thing that our government is supposed to do. This government that is chasing the little company we have because of tax. Please, I don't know, whoever is coming in next should do something about it. At least sometimes it's not you just give them small, or even give them tax. What are they calling it? Tax holiday. Give them some years. Tax is exemption, or even tax. What
because
are they?
They are going to employ your
Yes, because they are going to employ the indigents, and those indigents will be paying tax, and you'll be enjoying from it. Aside from those indigents paying tax too, those indigents, as in unemployment rate in that state, will be reduced. So at least, please, government, try and do something for us. I don't know if any of them is going to come across this video. Please do something for us. And grant some companies, they give them land free. Come and build your company. If you can't give them free, you give them leave them. Once they build their company, grant them tax holiday, tax exemption, or even reduce the tax to a minimal amount, so that we'll have more investments coming in, and with time Igbo land will change to something else. I'm just speaking English. I really hope that people that understand how economy work will rule us, not people that just want money and want to generate revenue, honestly. So we are still on Enugu Abakaliki Expressway. I hope my voice will not cease today before I talk to Enugu State.
You come with mic. For clarity.
Okay, for clarity, it's true. I have mic, but that mic sometimes they fear me pass anything. Sometimes when you put that, you don't know when one off battery low, then next thing you will lose all your video. This is Ishieke Junction, okay? For those of you that don't know Ebonyi State very well, okay, in Ishieke Junction, that's where the beginning of the permanent site started. That's the Ebonyi State University PAM site, okay? So as you can see, that about our right hand side, you're seeing the fence. That's the fence of Ebonyi State University PAM site, okay? So let's keep driving as we are conversing. Okay, in case you don't know, this place is called industrial layout. If you have industry that you want to build, this is the place for industry here in Ebonyi State. This part of the land that is by our left hand side is mapped out for industries. If there's something you want to come and bring into Ebonyi State, a business, company, production, something, this industrial layout is mapped out for it. You come get your land, okay? You can get it through me, okay? In case you don't know where to get land, we are going to give you at cheap rates, okay? So we just passed the university here. That's the Ebonyi State University gate, okay? But this is still the land. We are still driving along, and I'm going to let you know when we get to where the land is, as in the school ends. You're even seeing it anyway, but I will still let you know. We are heading towards Izambo. If you have not given this video a like, please thumbs up this video for me. Subscribe, okay? If you've not subscribed to this channel yet, subscribe to this channel, okay? So keep enjoying. I hope I'm going to be giving you the kind of vlogs you want in this 2023. Right now we are at what was the name of this junction? This army checking point. This is where they have their major office in, okay? The Nigerian army, that's the military, okay? Why are they wearing cap?
Who's wearing cap?
That's this thing. Poster.
Huh?
Are you sure you will not even be off the AC entirely? Because as if this car is cold, right? Let me off it. Yeah? Master Energy Oil and Gas. This car that used to have 10 tires, 20 tires, I used to fear them more than anything. 15 tires, 30 tires, 18 tires. Okay. We are heading towards Izambo. Izambo. Okay? Yes, the flyover has been working, except maybe there is a problem of recent. It has been working. What happened? Climb now. This is Izambo and this is our flyover, okay? We're on it. We're on it. If you've rode on swing before, this swing, if you've played on it as a child, you know the way this swing used to be. That's how it used to be when you're driving on a hill or flyover. I used to love all those things, so please, I hope I'm not remembering my childhood. So, let's keep driving, guys. Enjoy the ride with us as we are conversing. You have to be careful because even if he's at fault safe, and something happened to him, it's not, nobody will hear that one. What they know is that you have jammed somebody. So our double lane is do you know, I hope that this thing reach Enugu.
What?
This thing they just did. You know it wasn't here before now. The road didn't reach here before. Wow. If this double lane have reached Enugu, then one more I give it to Dave Mike. He tried. Especially in terms of infrastructure, he tried for Ebonyi State.
All these houses, there are people living in.
This is a government quarter, so either federal government or so. It's a housing estate too. People are living there. It's assigned to people now. See it now. It's quarters. Yeah. I think either federal government, not even states. Where is he going to? Why can't he just maintain his lane? Now, wow. So this is the headquarters of Huku local government area, okay? Here in Izambo, this is headquarters. This is also called 135. In case you don't know, that's where they call 135 Izambo. Wine up now. Oh, the thing is stiff again. Okay.
Well, why not your side up down? You always have suspicious. Why not down?
Wow.
Don't see the drip before you
it worked.
To be first with on the siblings of one on one.
Okay. Alright, it's on one now. I pray it's not going to. Okay, maybe I'll just reduce it. Yeah,
really. Maybe 67 something. It's on something else.
70 degrees Fahrenheit. Do you know how many degrees Celsius?
Can increase it now. So this is 19 minutes and we have passed Izambo. Enugu is not that far anyway if you look at it. When did you leave?
When we left, I started filming at Udensi and we have already filmed 19 minutes now.
Okay.
Yes.
It's showing the time.
It's showing time,
okay.
Yes. Maybe I might just cut the video here and then give it part 2. Okay? And tell them I can just do small intro from here, give it part 2.